But some must do more than satisfy their own needs. They have left behind them away in the desert their newly hatched chicks. Chicks can't fly, but they too must have water. And the males will take it to them. They can't carry it in their crops. They'll need all that water to sustain themselves. But they have extra tanks. Their breast feathers have a special adaptation. They're covered on their inner sides with a mat of filaments so fine that they absorb water like blotting paper. And then they're off again on the long return flight. A female is waiting for her mate. It's roastingly hot, and with her are her chicks. Here he comes, and the female makes way for him. While the last chick struggles from its shell, the others cluster around and suck from his breast, for all the world like puppies or kittens. So one comparatively small adaptation of its feathers has enabled the sandgrouse to colonize a corner of the world closed to others.